Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the Android TV behave like an AirPlay receiver. That's the only reliable route. Install AirScreen, or a proven AirPlay receiver, on the TV, then open it and start its service so the TV advertises an AirPlay device. Make sure both the iPhone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and subnet. Different guest networks or Wi-Fi isolation will block discovery. Once the receiver shows a name, you're ready to mirror from the iPhone. On the iPhone, swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. You should see the AirScreen device name shown by the Android TV. Select it. Once you tap it, the TV may display a connection prompt. Approve it to allow mirroring. If AirScreen offers settings like resolution, choose one that matches your TV to avoid scaling artifacts. Make sure media audio routes to the TV if you want sound. The mirroring session sends video and system audio together. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or exit AirScreen on the TV. If the iPhone doesn't see the TV, first restart both devices and the router. Many discovery problems clear with a reboot. Also verify AirScreen is running and up to date, iOS is current, and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and subnet. Some routers isolate bands or guest networks. If discovery still fails, temporarily disable router client isolation, or try connecting both devices to the same router SSID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.